Sura AI crypto is the topic of today's video. If you search for Sura AI crypto, you're in the right place. I will share what Sura AI crypto is, how you can purchase the coin, what really lies behind the Sura AI coin and crypto project, and why this matters and how big it actually can be. So you're in the right place. First, I will actually go over what Sura is. So what is Sura AI crypto? Sura AI is a revolutionary AI model that transforms textual prompts into dynamic video content with unparalleled real-looking videos. It seamlessly blends realism with imagination, crafting intricate scenes that captivate and inspire. And I'm going to show you now some of the actual videos that are generated with Sura AI now. As you see in front of me here, this is some of the videos that's created with the Sura AI generation tool. I'm trying to actually get access to the Sura AI project and actually video generation tools, but I've not got access yet. I really want to try out this tool, so if you are Sura AI and watching this video, contact me on email. I want to try it. So the next videos here, I'm not 100% sure if this token is actually connected with the actual tool itself, so time will tell. If you know for certain that Sura.live is this exact same thing as OpenAI's Sura tool here, comment your thoughts below, because that really matters for this video. And some here, so below here you will actually see the prompt that it said: animated scene featuring a close-up, short, fluffy monster kneeling beside a melting red candle. So look at this, it's insane actually. And here we see some see here. So this is so this is something else, just showing some of the videos here. And here we have some more videos. Look at it. Look at the freaking details of that eye. It's insane. And there's your kangaroo. A beautiful homemade video showing the people of Lagos, Nigeria in the year 2056, shot with a mobile phone camera. Insane. There you have some cool. I really like the 3D animations here. So if you know how to create this animation here, it takes freaking long time. But with a short but prompt, you will get it instantly. That's insane. So I really want to try this tool. So now I'm going to talk a bit about the tokenomics. So the actual tokenomics of the Sura AI crypto and Sura AI coin is, at the moment, one Sura AI coin is worth 0.000002359. Last day alone, it's gone up 81%. Market cap is $233,000. Volume last 24 hours has increased with 1,897%. Volume market cap increased with 50%. Self-circulating supply 10 billion Sura AI. And this is something I like because it's low cap coin with not as many coins as other projects out there. So this is something I really like. Fully diluted market cap is $235,899,000. It's on the BNB Smart Chain. And here we have the actual white paper. Now I'm going to just share some of the white paper here. I will have a link to the white paper below this video, and we will go over the most frequently asked questions. So if you know something about the actual DALL-E 3 is Bing's, Bing is a search engine, and the actual DALL-E 3 is insane. That's a text to image generator, and it uses the same kind of thing and will actually create huge, great videos. I would want to try when I get more subscribers to actually can I create a video on me doing videos? That's insane. So some of the frequently asked questions is, what is Sura AI? Sura AI is an advanced AI model developed by the Sura AI team that transforms text instructions into realistic, imaginative video scenes with unparalleled fidelity and detail. What does Sura AI work? Or how does it work? Sura AI crypto operates using a diffusion model and transformer architecture similar to GPT model. It imprints text, etc. So now you know what it is. I will not go in details. What services can Sura AI help with? Sura AI can assist you on a wide range of services and applications. And some of the roadmap. So they are second quarter launch of Sura AI upgraded AI platform with enhanced text to video synthesizers capabilities. So I really want to try this out. Introduction, ecosystem. So here you can see a bit about the actual allocations, roadmap. I will have a link to this below this video. And now we are just going to take a closer look fast at the Sura AI social platform, and I'm going to go in details how you can purchase the coin itself. So the coin is fairly new. So as you see here, they started October 2015, and you can now purchase this coin on Sura or PancakeSwap. So what you need to do if you want to purchase this coin, you will need to go to the PancakeSwap, and then you will need to just fill out the forms here. So you need to have BNB, and you need to transfer or exchange it to Sura AI. So the best how you can actually do it is just use this exact link here, or go to the crypto or CoinMarketCap, click on the BNB there, and just do it that way. Or you can go to the actual website itself. I will have links to all of this below this video. So the social platform, they have 33,900 followers. They are active on this, so last 4 hours ago. So that's good to see. So this was all for today's video. So as you see, this is actually a chart of the coin itself. And as you see here, we have a lot of buying pressure. Okay. So I think Sura AI coin and crypto project could actually skyrocket. This is not financial advice and should not be taken as financial advice in any way or any form. Okay. I'm just sharing some of my personal information I want, and I share it with you, and I give you some access to some websites, so how you can actually find that for yourself. So I hope you like this Sura AI crypto and Sura AI coin video. Make sure you check out that dancing kangaroo behind me there, because that is generated with the text prompt. Insane, actually. I will also have links to Go Mining, KuCoin, and MEXC. And if you want to learn more in crypto, I'll also have a 100% free ebook you can download below this video. So make sure you check out all of those things, because if you learn enough in crypto, you will eventually earn. That's what I'm saying in all of my videos. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a Crypto Cobra video. And make sure you comment your thoughts and share it with all of your wonderful friends. Have a great day. Take care.